subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Back in November, Honor launched the Honor Band 6 as the world's first full-screen fitness tracker in China. 2 months later in January, the brand showcased this product at CES 2021. At the event, the company confirmed that this smart band will be available in select markets priced at around $35. Now, a couple of months later, Honor finally teases the global launch of Honor Band 6. The official Twitter handle of Honor Global tweeted an image of the Honor Band 6 with the text "Something big is coming." This post by the brand clearly indicates the imminent global launch of its new fitness tracker. As far as specs are concerned, the Honor Band 6 sports a 1.47-inch rectangular AMOLED display with a resolution of 194 by 368 pixels and 2.5D glass. The fitness tracker comes in 3 colors: meteorite black, seagull gray, coral powder, with a subtle Honor branding on the left side and red accented power key on the right. The wearable connects with devices via Bluetooth 5.0, but unfortunately, it does not feature GPS. However, it includes all the necessary sensors, such as an accelerometer, a gyroscope, an optical heart rate sensor for heart rate monitoring, and a SpO2 sensor for blood oxygen level monitoring. Further, it supports 10 sports modes, sleep monitoring, menstrual cycle monitoring, 5 ATM water resistance, up to 14-day battery life, and magnetic charging. Last but not least, the Honor Band 6 measures 43 x 25.4 x 11.45 meters in dimensions and weighs about 18 grams, without strap. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel, and like and share the video. Thank you.